Hey newbies, in this video, I am going to show you how to apply basic eyeliner every day. It's simple, it's quick, and you can absolutely do it. So check it out and enjoy. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time checking me out, my name is Kimberly. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. And today's video is going to be all about eyeliner. For those people out there who have experience applying makeup, I want you to keep in mind that there are people out there who do not know how to apply makeup, who have no clue, but they want to start applying makeup and they want to do it right. And so this video to you, the experienced makeup putter honor, this video might seem really amateuristic because I'm keeping it super simple, super basic, and I'm explaining everything that I'm doing. Now, I don't want you guys to think, oh, this is crap. Please do not comment negatively in that fashion because this is geared towards the newbies amongst us who are trying to get to the point where, they can, do the whole Instagram makeup and all that stuff. So if you are a newbie and you're watching this, make sure you check out my Makeup for Newbies series. I'll link it up here. Make sure you check it out. It's especially for you guys. I use all drugstore products. I keep it cheap, affordable, super simple, and you'll end up looking beautiful. Now that I've said that, I would like to remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I do videos for those who know how to wear makeup too. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up if it's helpful to you. And that's it. And I hope you guys enjoy the little short clip that I did for you guys. Okay? Love you. Hey guys, so here we go. Are you ready? I am. So as you can see, I'm wearing a full face of makeup, everything but eyeliner and mascara. Here is a little trick that you might find handy too. I find that applying your mascara before applying your eyeliner makes the process a million times easier. It kind of stiffens the lashes and makes it easier to draw that line more precisely. I don't know if you've tried it. If you haven't, try it. You'll see what I mean. Another thing why it's so easy to do that, to apply mascara before the eyeliner. My hands are all over the place, huh? Oh, and don't look at my nails because I did not do them today because I'm giving them some freedom. Okay, that's a whole different story. Anyway, so another reason why I like to apply mascara before my eyeliner is if you're using like an eyeliner where you have to dip the brush into the product and then put it on your eye, sometimes the product gets on your lashes, and good luck getting that off there. Because then you have to go and put on your mascara and then it's going to get all clumpy and all bad, and we don't want that. So okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to apply mascara. And if you don't know how to apply mascara, it might seem easy, but it's not. I have a video for you right up here. Go check that out. It's another video from my newbie series and I'm showing you exactly how you can get fabulous lashes with mascara. On we go. Okay, so first thing I do, I curl my lashes. And I'm just going to go through this really fast because this is not about, applying mascara and anything. This is just really quickly. I'm going to apply some primer to my lashes just to make them pop even more. And all that's also in my mascara video that I linked up there earlier. And now I'm going to apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And this is my current go-to. I don't know. It's just really black. And I love that. So I'm just going to apply that. I am going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Sharp Line. There's a bunch of different kinds of these, but I like this particular one. It has like a really, really sharp line, and it's like a, fine liner, like a, yeah, like a Sharpie. Drugstore. This cannot be more than 10 bucks, right? I don't think so. But let's put it on. Whoa, my head is big. The key to a really nice line, always keep your eyes open. It's so easy to close them and to just line like that with one eye. Do not do that. You want to see what's happening when you apply the liner. Now, the first thing I do, I trace my upper lash line. Also, when I line my eyes, I don't go further than where my hairs end. Now, if you do, sometimes it can give a nice effect if you like want that smoky eye effect and go all the way to the inner corner. But you want to be careful because that's where it gets really watery and it can get smudgy and stuff. So sometimes what I do, instead of using a liner, I use a pencil. Just a simple eyeliner pencil, and you just make it a little black in there. So it seems like it's the liner, but it's really the pencil. I'm going to start at the outer point right here in the corner of my eye. And I'm going to just draw a little baby line outward. A little line because we're not making a full-blown wing, but we can make a little baby line. So it shapes the eye really nicely, and we don't have to be afraid that it's going to be smudgy and ugly and all over the place. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a little baby line like that. You can hardly see it. There. Next, you're gonna work from that line, from the outer point of the line. You're gonna work inward. So you're gonna take the tip of the line where it ends, and then you're just gonna go like this. And then you're like, oh my gosh, what did I do? It looks horrible. Kim, what are you teaching me? It's okay. It's okay. I've had eyeliner done where it looks horrible and I ended up fixing it and it looks fabulous. You can always fix mistakes. We are going to color in any visible skin from the line to the lashes. So you're gonna look and you're just gonna color it in wherever you see skin. You just color it in the lines. There, all the way to the beautiful tail of your eyeliner. Very simple. Now, if you want to make the line a little thicker, you can. You can make it a little more bold and go over it, expand it a little bit. It's all up to your own personal preference. Okay? Now, you want to make sure that when you get to the inner corner here, that you kind of make the line a little thinner so it looks like a natural flowing line. So that's what I'm going to do now. Super simple, right? That's it. That's all it. That's it, guys. It might seem simple to people who are used to applying makeup, but to people who are new to makeup, I know it can be very frustrating. So now we're going to go to the other side and I'm going to do the same thing there. So I'm just going to, and you have to kind of try to match it. Just follow the natural shape of your eye because they are similar. So it'll be close to similar, but even if it's not, nobody's going to be like, oh, your eyes are different. No, it'll be fine. So here we go. A little line. See, this line is completely different from this one, but I'm not going to stress. No, I'm just going to make it work for me. And then we're going to take the tip of the line to do the inner corners of my eye, I'm using a Rimmel eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner really. This is just what I was able to grab really quickly. And I'm just gonna line there. So it kind of looks more natural. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. You don't want to drastically ending a line that drastically ends. You want it to flow. And there you go. That's it. Okay, guys, so that was it for my video. Yay! And I'll be back again next Friday with another video. So make sure you tune in again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you get notified each time I'm back on here with some new crazy stuff to teach you guys. If this video was useful, if you learned something new, if you tried it and you want to let me know how it went, I would love to know. So let me know, sound off in the comments below. And that's it for now. And have a wonderful, beautiful, fabulous weekend, guys.